Here's the machine. Took a while. So basically, I'm going to explain how it's going to work. A marble is going to start up on here, this cardboard ramp. It's going to go down, and we got a funnel attached inside this stool. It's going to go in the funnel and fall down and trigger this mouse trap, which is wired or roped up over here like a pulley. It's going to lift up this bucket, which has a bigger marble inside. It's going to roll down through this tube and onto this curved little track, and it's going to fall down through this toilet paper into the cup, which is then going to fall down because of the weight, which is then going to pull another pulley. It's going to lift up this little piece of wood. It's going to release this golf ball. It's going to go, it's just going to go through here and into this tube, and then it's going to go in and around the tube, come out, bounce off this wall, go along here, react on the dominoes, which is then going to spill this little thing of water, and into this bowl there will be a fire, so it's going to put out the fire. That's what's going to happen.